There are a lot of situations in which we want to emphasize that doing something is too late and will not get us anywhere. We will not be able to do something because the time has already passed and right now is too late to even think of doing it. So you can use the following phrases that I will be focusing your attention on in today's video to emphasize that it's too late to do something. Let's start reviewing these phrases. The first phrase that we can use is, the time has passed. The time has passed. The time has passed. When we say the time has passed, it means it's already too late to do something. It's already too late to start doing something or to even think of doing something because its golden time has passed. Its appropriate and suitable time has passed. An example of this phrase. We were supposed to submit the application by 5 p.m., but the time has passed. We were supposed to submit the application by 5 p.m., but the time has passed, which means we were supposed to submit the application by 5 p.m., but it's too late. The second phrase that we can use instead of it's too late to emphasize that doing something right now will not get you anywhere, will not do you any good because it's too late to do it is, the opportunity is gone. The opportunity is gone. The opportunity is gone. When we say the opportunity is gone, it means we no longer had the opportunity to do something. It's too late to do something. An example of this, they offered a discount, but we hesitated, and now the opportunity is gone. They offered a discount, but we hesitated, and now the opportunity is gone, which means they offered a discount, but we hesitated, and now it's too late to ask them to provide us with another discount, or it's too late to ask them for a discount because they already offered us a discount, but we, didn't take the opportunity, so the opportunity is gone. The next phrase is, it's no longer possible. Something is no longer possible. When we say something is no longer possible, it means it somehow refers to the idea that doing something will not get us anywhere, will not do us any good because it's already too late. An example, we wanted to catch the train, but it's no longer possible. It's already left. We wanted to catch the train, but it's no longer possible. It's already left, which means we wanted to catch the train, but it's no longer possible. It's too late to think of catching the train. The time has passed and we can't catch the train anymore. The next phrase is, we've missed the boat. We've missed the boat. We've missed the boat. In English, to miss a boat means to lose an opportunity, not be able to seize an opportunity, to lose an opportunity, to miss a boat. So when you say we've missed the boat, it means it's already too late to think of doing something or to start doing something because it's not going to do us any good. It's not going to get us anywhere. We're not going to succeed. We're not going to get anywhere by starting to do it now because it's already too late. So we've missed the boat. An example of this. Everyone invested in cryptocurrency years ago and we have missed the boat. Everyone invested in the cryptocurrency and we have missed the boat, which means everyone invested in the cryptocurrency and it's too late for us now. We've missed the opportunity. It's not going to get us anywhere. If you want to invest in it now, it's too late. We won't be able to make any profit. The next one is, the ship has sailed. The ship has sailed. When we say the ship has sailed, it means the ship is no longer boarding people. The ship, is gone, is not there to be able to board it. In other words, we're referring to the idea that the opportunity has been missed, there's nothing that we can do, and it's too late. An example of this phrase. I was thinking of applying for that job, but the ship has sailed. It's already filled. I was thinking of applying for that job, but the ship has sailed. It's already filled, which means I was thinking of applying for that job, but the opportunity has been missed. The time has passed. It's no longer possible. It's too late. The ship has sailed and it's been filled by someone else. It's been given to someone else. The next phrase is, the window of opportunity has closed. The window of opportunity has closed. The window of opportunity has closed, which means it is no longer possible to do something. There is no opportunity to do something. You've already missed the opportunity to do something, the golden opportunity to do something, or you've missed the boat, or the ship has sailed. An example of this. The company was hiring last week, but that window of opportunity has closed. The company was hiring last week, but that window of opportunity has closed, which means the company was hiring last week, but now it's too late to apply for the job because they're no longer hiring. the opportunity has been missed, the ship has sailed, the window of opportunity has closed. In other words, it's too late to apply for that job. They're no longer hiring. They don't want anyone anymore. The next phrase that we can use to say that there is nothing that you can do and it's too late to think of doing something, or there's no chance or opportunity to do something, is there's no going back. There is no going back. There is no going back. When we say there is no going back, it means it's not possible to return to the past, to reverse things, or to be able to do what you had the opportunity to. So when we say there is no going back, we're trying to emphasize the idea that we had the opportunity to do something, but we didn't do it, and now it's too late. There's nothing that we can do. It's too late to do something about it. The window of opportunity has closed. We've missed the boat. The ship has sailed. It's already gone. I mean, the time has passed. It's no longer possible. An example of this: once we signed the contract, there's no going back. Once we signed the contract, there's no going back. Which means once we sign the contract, it'll be too late. There will be nothing that you can do. You will miss the opportunity. There is no going back. It is not possible to regret having signed the contract, or it is not possible to reverse things or put things back to their previous state or return things to the past. It'll be too late to do things. The next phrase is, what is done is done. What's done is done. What is done is done. When we say what's done is done, it means something has happened. You can't put things back to their previous state. You cannot reverse things. You cannot put things back to how they used to look, or what they used to look like, or how they were. Things have changed, and it's too late to take action or do anything. An example of this: I regret how I handled the situation, but what's done is done. I regret how I handled the situation, but what's done is done. I regret how I handled the situation, but what's done is done. Which means I regret the way I handled the situation, but it's already too late to improve things, to do anything about them, or to reverse things, or to put things back to normal, or to put things back to their previous state. The next phrase is, it's water under the bridge. It's water under the bridge. When we say it's water under the bridge, it means the damage is done. You know, something has happened. The ship has sailed. The window of opportunity has closed. The time has passed, or we've missed the boat, and there's nothing that we can do now. The damage is done. You know, something that shouldn't have happened has happened, and there is nothing that we can do about it. We cannot reverse things, reverse the situation, and put them back to the previous state, or we cannot return the previous situation. An example of this: we argued last week, but it's water under the bridge now. Let's move on. We argued last week, but it's water under the bridge now. Move on. Which means we argued last week, it's done. There's no going back. I mean, you can't put the clocks back. You can't turn back the hands of time. There's nothing that you can do. You cannot go back into the past, right? You cannot put things back to their previous state. Just forget about it. Let's move on. And the final phrase of today's video that we can use to emphasize that it's too late to do something because a lot of things have happened that cannot be reversed is, the damage is done. The damage is done. The damage is done. When we say the damage is done, it means something terrible has happened. It's too late to take action or do anything or reverse things. Things are no longer reversible. They become irreversible. You cannot do anything about them. You cannot reverse things or put things back to how they used to look or be, or you cannot put things back to their previous state. And something has happened and it's too late to do anything now. An example of that: I tried to fix the situation, but the damage is done and there is nothing we can do. I tried to fix the situation, but the damage is done and there is nothing we can do. Which means I tried to fix the situation, but it's too late. There is nothing that we can do now. We cannot reverse things. We cannot undo things. It's already too late and the damage is done. And that's about all, guys. So you learn the phrases that you can use to emphasize that it's too late to do something, or its golden time has passed. Now let's review all these phrases once again together. The time has passed. The time has passed. The opportunity is gone. The opportunity is gone. It's no longer possible. It's no longer possible. We've missed the boat. We've missed the boat. The ship has sailed. The ship has sailed. The window of opportunity has closed. The window of opportunity has closed. There is no going back now. There is no going back now. What's done is done. What's done is done. It's water under the bridge. It's water under the bridge. The damage is done. The damage is done. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like it and support this channel and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. I'll be back soon.